today we got something real good going on. I've got some nice chicken breasts here. Okay. And what I call my flat potatoes. Very good stuff. I coated them with a little bit of oil. And I'm just going to season them a little bit. Okay. From there, we're going to grill them. They're only going to take a little bit of time, and that's it, man, for a quick meal. All right, we're here. Okay, we're going to add to my French fries a little bit of French fry seasoning, a little bit of garlic. That's it. We're not going to put too much on. We're going to rotate them, turn them over, get these babies ready. You know, they don't need a whole lot. This is regular basic French fry seasoning, nothing spectacular, but man, it puts in a whole new flavor to them potatoes, okay? I'm going to turn them around. Okay, awesome. Alright. And we're going to add a little bit of garlic pepper, of course. Got to have some of that. Always garlic, 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 okay? That's the way to go, man. Now, we can put these on the grill because they're ready to rock and roll. And the grill's getting nice and warmed up there. They're not going to take long at all. I use the hands, what the heck, you know? Okay, now, I put the fries on the grill. So now we're going to finish seasoning our marinated chicken. This chicken's marinated in olive oil, scallion onions, and a little bit of special seasoning, okay? Some salt and pepper, not much, just a little bit. And now I'm going to add my cayenne pepper to it, okay? Gotta have that. That adds beautiful color and contrast, you know? For approximately an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. Okay, that's where to get that nice red tone going. Look at that. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. Now we already have our potatoes on the grill, as you can see. And they look good. Now let's take some of this licking chicken. Put that on the grill. Get that going. Look at that. Okay, it's not going to take long. Sizzling, you can hear. Gonna let that cook just about a minute on one side, then we're gonna rotate it. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. We're gonna turn our chicken over. Just to get it sealed, get all that flavor sealed in there. We're going to turn our chicken again. All right. Look at that. easy cooking. And those potatoes are just coming out perfect. All right. The potatoes are done. So let's plate them. Look at that, golden brown. Now for the chicken, we're going to just move it over here a little bit because these two are almost done. Rotate them a little bit. And now, since they're almost done, I'm going to take some of this sweet jalapeno sauce. Jalapeno. And we're going to put it on there. Just to get it another little flavor in there. Okay. It just makes it perfect. Oh yeah. Okay. Rotate that just a tiny bit. Move that one over a little. These are just about done. This one's taking a little bit longer. It's a little thicker. That's okay, because we're going to stick that thermometer in there and we're going to see just how far we have to cook this. Medium. Almost there, just a few more minutes. Look at that juice come out of there. Oh my God. Okay, we got some chicken done and there's one piece that isn't quite done. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, put this over here, take this one off. Ooh yeah, and this one. And the other one. The last one. Ooh, that's beautiful. Meanwhile, we're going to use the rest of this jalapeno sauce. Okay, we're going to dress this up a little more. Okay. And this is a sweet sauce, okay? It's not a spicy hot. It's a nice sweet sauce. Oh my God. There you go. There you go, folks. Mike's potatoes, flat potatoes grilled with a beautiful, beautiful grilled chicken breast with oil, scallion onions, a little cayenne, and that chicken was just marinating in it. And then as it cooked, I added the sweet jalapeno sauce. Oh, it's not hot, it's nice and sweet.